How to make a private server in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm here to provide you with extremely detailed, thorough instructions on how to successfully create a private server within the Roblox platform. If you find value and benefit from the information shared in this guide, we humbly request that you show your appreciation by subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. The advantages of owning a private server on Roblox are truly remarkable, as it grants you the ability to have a server all to yourself and play exclusively with your chosen group of friends. To get started, you will need to first locate the specific game for which you desire to establish a private server, and in the following demonstration, I'll walk you through the entire process of setting up your very own private server. First of all, you have to click on any Roblox game you'd like and click on the three dots icon that is just beside the play option. Click on it and you will see the option of invite friends, create private server and join friends. You're supposed to click on create private server, and after you do that, you will be directed to another new page where you need to enter your server name. Enter your server name and then after click on buy now option. After that, it will provide you the option of customize and not now. If you want to customize your server, you can click on customize. If not, click on not now. And after that, you will be able to successfully create your private server in Roblox. So your continuous support means the world to us, and we're incredibly grateful for it. By diligent following the step-by-step instructions provided, you will be able to effortlessly create your own private server on Roblox and indulge in the wonderful benefits that come with it. We extend our heartfelt thanks for unwavering support and encouragement. Thank you for your viewership. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Happy gaming and see you in the next video.